Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Messenger. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Messenger on your device and tap your profile at the top left corner. Under Profile, tap Active Status. Turn off both the toggles and tap Turn Off to confirm. This will hide your presence on Messenger. And that's how you appear offline on Messenger. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.